know what's crazy? Most men will never get their ex back, not because she doesn't miss them, but because they mess it up the moment she starts thinking about them again. You've been there, right? She left, and now every part of you wants to reach out, explain, fix things, make her see what she's losing. But here's the truth. The harder you chase, the faster she slips away. If you want her to come back crawling, you have to flip the script, trigger a psychological shift that makes her realize she lost something rare, something she can't replace no matter who she tries to distract herself with. And no, this isn't about childish games or fake jealousy. This is about understanding female psychology on a deep level, so you become irresistible. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and what not to do to make her second-guess everything. The greatest secret in attraction is simple. The moment you remove yourself, she starts craving you. There's a strange paradox here. When a man stops chasing, stops trying to prove his worth, something powerful happens. She notices. Let me tell you about Jake and Melissa. Melissa broke up with Jake because she felt distant and unsure of her feelings. Jake could have begged, called, or sent desperate texts, but he didn't. He disappeared. No social media posts, no desperate messages. He focused on himself. He started hitting the gym, growing his career, and genuinely enjoying life. Within weeks, Melissa started wondering why Jake wasn't chasing her anymore. This silence, it created a mystery. It made her question her choice. Women are wired to be drawn to men who don't need them, because a man who doesn't need her is a man worth having. So, step 1, silence and distance. Stop texting, stop calling. Let her feel your absence. Don't beg, don't plead. Become the mystery she can't solve. Here's a weird brain fact. You can't stop thinking about things you try to avoid. Think about it. If I say, don't think of a pink elephant, what do you see? That's reactance. Our minds rebel when we feel something is taken away. Now, apply that to relationships. When she tries to forget you but catches glimpses of you moving forward, thriving without her, it messes with her head. Maybe you start seeing her posts, or mutual friends talk about your new hobbies, or you casually drop how well you're doing without her. This makes her panic because she expects you to be miserable and begging. Instead, you're living better than ever. This triggers a powerful instinct. I lost control of him, and that makes her want you back more than ever. But here's the catch. It has to be real. Don't fake it for social media likes. Actually improve yourself. Get stronger, be happier, and live your best life. Your confidence is magnetic, and that's what draws her back. Ever wonder why women chase bad boys even though they know it's not healthy? It's because bad boys are unpredictable. They keep women guessing. In relationships, predictability kills excitement. Familiarity breeds contempt, as Mark Twain said. When a man gives everything away, becomes an open book, she loses interest. So, what do? Become a mystery again. Don't always reply instantly to her texts. Give short, intriguing answers. Be unpredictable. Don't always say yes. When she can't figure you out, she thinks about you more. And the more she thinks about you, the more she wants you. Most men play a losing game. She pulls away. He chases harder. She loses interest. He begs for another chance. You don't want to be that guy. Instead, flip the script. Move on confidently. Date casually, or at least look like you're moving on. Be so busy and happy that she starts wondering, did I make a mistake? Here's why it works. When she feels replaced, she chases. Ever see an ex pop up right after you start dating someone new? That's no accident, it's psychology. And if she comes back, don't take her back right away. Make her earn her spot in your life again. Set boundaries, showing her your attention is valuable. Humans want what's hard to get. This is the reverse breakup effect, making her regret leaving you. If you act desperate, she won't miss you. If you act strong, she will start doubting her decision. Let's look at a story. Mark and Emma broke up after a fight. Emma expected Mark to call and beg, but Mark didn't. He went silent and started living better. After some months, Emma reached out, curious why he wasn't chasing her anymore. That regret you want her to feel. It's when she sees you moving on, growing stronger, becoming out of reach. That's when she starts chasing. Here are a few bonus tips that will boost your chances even more. Focus on self-improvement. Hit the gym, learn new skills, improve your style. This raises your value, inside and out. Build a social life. Spend more time with friends. Try new things. Create stories she'll want to be part of. Limit social media exposure. Don't stalk her profiles or respond to every little breadcrumb. Stay busy and detached. Be confident but kind. Don't be arrogant or cold. Be the man who knows his worth but respects her choice. Let's recap the key moves. Stop chasing and go silent. Become a mystery. Let her see you thriving. Trigger that psychological reactance. Be unpredictable. Don't be an open book. Flip the script. Make her chase you. Act confident and strong. Make her regret leaving. Remember, words alone don't work. Actions do. If you chase, she runs. If you disappear and level up, she regrets and chases. So, are you ready to become the man she can't resist? If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and comment below your biggest takeaway. I'll see you in the next one.